Today I'm taking the RONGSHU SATA solid-state drive. So there is the drive. It does appear to be a standard SATA drive. This is a 256 gigabyte drive. And I'm going to use an external docking station in order to read that drive. So it does not pick that up right away, so we are going to have to right-click, go to Disk Management, and we are seeing it. I'm going to right-click and go to New Simple Volume, next. And there is our drive. So now I'm going to copy and paste about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. And we are looking at right around 340, 350 megabytes per second. And let's run a speed test. Okay, so for sequential 1 by 8 process 1 thread, we got 465 on the read and 433 on the write. The sequential 1 by 1 process 1 thread, we got 443 and 411. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 167 and 178. And worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 22 and 46. These are perfectly acceptable speeds for a SATA SSD. So overall, that is a perfectly usable drive.